Hello there! In this video we will take a look at Sonimus' brand new S console. This plugin is the evolution of their famous Satson console, featuring refined tone, distinctive new saturation modes, oversampling, and several other enhancements. It's an emulation of the legendary solid-state logic desk. I'm curious to try it out, so let's dive straight into it. Like the other Sonimus console emulations, this plugin comes with a channel and a bus module. And it also offers a great mixer section to control all the instances of the plugin. Let's jump right in and try out the console by mixing a song. Let's start with the channel module. This is what you put on anything like drums, synths, guitars, vocals, and more. The workflow is easy. Just load the plugin on a track, usually at the first insert, and level it to 0 dBVU, the sweet spot. Alright, so let's start with the piano. The first thing we should do is to level the plugin to 0 dBVU. So I will turn the fader up here. It's also okay if the needle touches the red area. This is not generating digital clipping. Instead, it introduces some pleasant harmonic distortion. We can open the extra settings panel where we have even more setting options. Drumbus drive automatically reduces the output as you increase the gain, meaning the fader knob becomes a drive control. Meter pre places the metering before the saturation. Filters pre places the high pass and low pass filter before the saturation. We can also adjust the mix, and with the out control we can adjust the output level. We can also set a low pass and a high pass here. I will set the high pass at around 100 Hz. There's not much going on in this frequency range. We can also activate a fat mode for a more vintage sound. We can calibrate the plugin by clicking on the VU meter. I switched over to the Drumbus. We can use the bus module here by clicking on this icon and click on bus. But in this case, I want to stay at the channel module because we got some more features here. Let's try out the pass control. I will set it to hot here. I love the sound of this. Set the high pass at around 30 Hz to clean up some sub rumble. Finally, let's check out the Drumbus drive feature. The fader is a drive control now. Increase the saturation if we turn it up. Let's try out hot here. Maybe it changes the sound. Oh, definitely. That's nice. Turn it off. Now you can hear the difference. Okay, I love this. That's way too much. I think I will actually use this. Let's finally try out the master fader. So we have a group for the drums, the bass, piano, guitars, core, strings and some shakers. Let's start with adjusting the level. Turn the volume down a bit. Right so. We can choose between 3 crosstalk modes. Vintage for a more evident effect, Modern for a less audible effect, and crosstalk off for a clean, isolated sound. I will stay at Modern here. We can set a high pass and a low pass. We got some global saturation options here, so we can activate the fat mode for all groups. Let's adjust the level of the groups. Let's start with the piano. Activate the fat mode here. I think it's nice. Guitars. Bass. Strings. I will make the drums a bit louder. Let's activate the drive mode for the bass here, so the fader becomes a drive control. This will make it a bit more aggressive. Let's also activate the fat mode here. I will increase the gain a bit to achieve more saturation. Love this. Sonimus S console is an authentic SSL console emulation. I absolutely love the sound and the workflow of the plugin, as well as the design of the interface. S console presses live into your productions, with the legendary solid-state logic sound. Alright, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel for more plugin reviews. Thank you all for watching and see you in the next one.